All right, y'all. So today I'm going to be showing you how to set up your first automation with ManyChat. So first, when you go on to ManyChat, it should look something like this, right? And you can get started for free. I think the plan starts off at $15 a month, but they do have a free plan. It's just with the pro plan, you get, extra benefits. You get to plan your releases ahead of time. So for instance, if you're releasing a post, let's say 2 hours from now, then you can set the automation to the next post that releases on your Instagram. But with the free version, you have to manually do that with every post. So once the post is released, then you have to go on there to make sure you attach it to that specific post. And I'm about to show you exactly how to do that utilizing the free version. So let's go over here. And once you sign up, right? So for instance, go to sign in. Now you can sign in with Google, Telegram, Facebook, or, Apple, right? If I'm not mistaken, I signed in with my Facebook. You can also do your Google as well, but regardless, you still have to connect your Instagram to your ManyChat. So, all right, so now this is what it looks like once you're on here. You can select some pre-automations. So let's go to automation. Let's say new automation. Now they have some automation templates that you can choose from. So convert your Instagram comments into sales. You can select this template where it's just a template. You still have to, edit it the way that you want it to be edited. So you can go through all these and see which ones you like if you want to do that. But we're going to set one up from scratch today. So start from scratch. Now, the simple automation we're going to make today is once they comment a specific keyword on our post, it's going to send them a link. So in order to do that, you have a when action. So when something happens and you set the trigger. So a trigger is an event that starts your automation. Click to add a trigger. So the trigger can be them placing a keyword under a specific post. So these are the different triggers that you can choose from. You can say user clicks an Instagram ad, which as you can see, this is for the pro version only. And the other option we have is user comments on your post or your reel. User replies to your story. A user clicks a referral link. A user sends a direct message with a keyword, or a user comments on your live, right? So we're going to set up the one for a user comments on your post or reel. And now, once they comment, now I can go to my post and select which post that I want. And to test it out, we're going to go to Apple is about to F you, right? We're going to click this one. Now, as you can see, we can set it for all posts or reels if we utilize the pro version, or we can set it for our next post or our next reel utilizing a pro version. But instead, I'm going to show you how to do this all on the free version. So now we select the post, and these are the keywords that we can include. So for instance, they say comments include these keywords, and comments include these keywords. So let's say if someone commented, I love this, then they will not, we can put this as a excluded keyword. So if they put anything where I love or this, then we can, exclude that. But let's just say if we want them to comment Apple, right? Let them comment. And let's just say if you know that someone's going to put some emojis or fire emojis, then you can put, a fire emoji. So if someone comments a fire emoji, then it's also going to send it to them. So, but in this video, it doesn't say that the keyword that we placed and told everyone to comment is Apple. So they just leave Apple right here. Or we can select it to be any comment. So if they comment anything, then it would automatically send them a DM. And you can also have that as well. But in scenario, we're going to put Apple so that way I can show you it does work with specific keywords. We're going to click continue. Now, these are different replies that you can set up. These are different automatic replies you can set up. So let's say if someone commented Apple, you can say, hey, just sent the link to you, right? Our second reply, because you don't want like when you're doing this, you want it to at least feel as real as possible. So you don't want all of them to say, hey, just sent you the link. Hey, just sent you the link. Hey, just sent you the link, because now it looks more robotic. But if you have multiple replies like, hey, just sent you the link, or check your DM. Let me know if you got it. Say, sent it to you. Reply to this comment to let me know you received it. Right? Now, this is what I usually do to get people to come back and engage with the post again, to help boost the post in the algorithm even more. So when they come back and say, hey, I just received it, then I'll comment again and say, all right, that's great. Let me know what you think of it, or let me know when you're done reading it, or something like that, to keep the engagement flowing under your post, so that way it keeps boosting in the algorithm. So now we have that. Did it just delete everything, bro? All right, so I'm just gonna say check DM. So now we're just gonna click save. I had to come up with some quick ones again, just to, because the other one deleted. All right, so now we have that part of the automation set, right? So now, what message are you going to send your audience? What message are you going to send everyone that comments, right? So this is where you can set up your message. All right, y'all. So now I am on my page. So let's load everything up. Let's go over here. Let's comment. Apple. Let's see if we get a message. See, bam. Let's click the message. See, bam, here's your link to the free class. Voila. And that's how you set up your first automation, y'all. Let's get it. Oh, real quick. And as you can see, it did send a message, say, sent, check your DM and reply to this to let me know you received them. So, bam. Once they reply to the message, then now this help boost you in the algorithm even more. Now let's get it, y'all. Let's get it.